I'm here today just to say a very big thank you to all of you who responded to my video asking for suggestions for future YouTube videos. Within 24 hours, I'd received well over 200 responses. That's a whole lot of videos to make. And there are some great suggestions, and I'll do my very best to make as many of them as practical. But if there is a theme running through many of the responses, it's this: that I should keep doing what I'm doing in the way that I'm doing it. It's from feedback such as this and the many comments I receive throughout the year that help me learn. And I learn that I don't always get it right. I'm learning to see what I do through the thoughts and words of others. You see, this channel is not about perfection. It's not really about bows and arrows. It's about having a go. It's about keeping on trying. It's about self-learning. It's about rising above failure. And it's a journey in video of ups and downs. I've been uplifted to learn that my videos have helped a person struggling with reduced mobility to rekindle their love of archery. And on the other hand, I've been humbled to learn that a great online friend of me and this channel has reduced vision and can only see what I put on the screen when I narrate and describe what I'm doing. And to my great shame, I don't always do that. So I've learned something new. And so what began as a creative outlet for me has become something much, much bigger. And now that many of you have told me how much my channel means to you, I think it's only fair that I tell you what my channel means to me. You see, in my 40 plus years of working in electronics manufacturing and running my own business, I felt continually frustrated that I had no creative outlet. It was time for a change. Time, while there still was time, to change course. And for all the faults and problems created by social media, I found myself in a digital age, enabling ordinary people like me to create and distribute straight to the public. Learning to craft longbows using materials and tools of which I had no prior knowledge is simply an expansion of just one of my interests. But in trying to make bows, I began on a path that has taught me much, brought me new skills, new friends, new insights. The simple act of taking a brute piece of wood and making it bend, of bringing that piece of stick to life in the hand, is remarkably rewarding. And it's a craft that, to my great surprise, is something that many others aspire to. Without realising it, I found myself helping others. And that means a lot to me. But in all this time making bows, I've been doing something else, and that is learning how to make film, how to work complex video cameras, how to use professional video editing software, how to bring my stories to the screen, something unimagined when I was growing up. And I owe much to those who have allowed me into their world to learn this craft of filmmaking. And storytelling in film now enables me to make sense of beloved places and experiences of the wider world. And that too means a lot to me. So thank you very much. Thank you for being there, and thank you for watching. That, in essence, is what this channel means to me.